My name is Marvelous Marlee. I am 9 years old and I'm very excited to finally be on YouTube. This is my very first video and I'm excited to share my many interests with you. And today I'll be showing you how to make two different kinds of bracelets. One's a regular bracelet and the other one is a French braid. These are both with your fingers. So if you have a rainbow loom, you can also use that in one of my other videos you can watch. But today we're just going to be using our fingers instead you don't have a rainbow loom. That way you can still make bracelets. Okay, so let's get into the video. Now today I am going to be doing a bracelet where I'm going to do a regular bracelet first, and I'm going to use a green bracelet. So I'm going to do a regular bracelet first, then I'm going to do the French braided bracelet. And for the regular bracelet, you can do patterns or anything. I'm doing green and pink, but you can do any one you want. So we're going to start, I'm going to start with green. You can start with whatever color you want. Some people do random, which that's okay. They just pick. If you have it, I would recommend having this like sorted like I do. But if you don't, then some people who do it random just pick out by closing their eyes. So how you start is you take your rubber band, put it on your fingers without twisting or anything, and then you put the C-clip on both of the sides so it looks like this. And then you're going to take whatever other rubber band you want. It can be a different color or random. Just don't cross it or anything and put it above. Then you're going to flip the one that's under above. I recommend holding the C-clip a little bit, but making sure it doesn't go through the middle, otherwise it's going to fall off. So pull over so it looks like this. Don't pull too far, otherwise it's going to break. So right here, you always want to do the bracelet that put on the rubber band color that you just looped on. So I have green right here, the opposite of what you have in your fingers right now. So you would put on green, maybe hold the C-clip a bit like this, then pull over that color. You could do as many colors as you want. I'm just doing a 2 pattern for beginners. And then I'm going to use pink again. And I'm going to fast forward since you already know what to do. And I'll show you how to finish it off at the very end. That you might want to pull it once in a while so you can see what it looks like and how many ones you have put on, and make sure it fits your wrist. Remember, these are rubber bands, so they're gonna be stretchy. We're almost halfway finished. Keep doing it. Your fingers might hurt from the rubber band, so once in a while you'll want to switch hands, but it's easier on your left hand. So let's say you wanted to end it here. This is not actually the width of my wrist, but we're just gonna act like it is. How to end it off is keep it on your fingers, but you twist the C-hook so you have it out like this, and you can actually see like this. Flip it over. So use your thumb to make it like this. Take your pointer finger on your left hand, take your middle finger, pull it out, put in your thumb so it's like this, and stick through your C-clip so it connects and you can let go. Then you can still keep it on your middle finger, and then you sneak in your thumb. You want to like kind of push the C-clip towards it, and it may take a while to put the rubber band on, but once you're done you can let go, and there is your regular rainbow loom bracelet. Okay, now we're going to get into the French braided bracelet. So when we're doing the French braided bracelet, it's going to be different. You might need to do, you'll need to do one twist, and what I like to do is I like doing 3 patterns because it looks better to me, in my opinion. But you can do 2 like I did before with the regular bracelet. But I'm gonna be doing a red, orange, and yellow French braided bracelet. So all the warm colors here. And so we're gonna get into doing the French braided bracelet. Now you don't need your C-clip quite yet, but keep it in handy till the very end. So how you're gonna want to start is you can use any colors you want. Again, any colors you want. Like you can do this as long as you want. You could even make a choker, but that's not what I'm gonna do. So what you want to do with the first one you put on your fingers is you want to twist it. So you're gonna put it on your pointer finger, just twist it, and put the other side on your middle finger. And then you're gonna take your next color, put it above, not twisted, so it's just normal, like this. Then you're gonna take your next color if you have one. Remember, you can't just do this right now. You need 3 silver. Sorry, it's my cat. And we're going to be putting another rubber band on. So like if you're doing a 2 pattern, you're just gonna want to do, like say you're doing green and pink like I was before. Green, pink, green. Okay? But I'm doing 3 silver. No. But so you're gonna do it like this, no crosses except for the bottom. Then you're gonna take the bottom and you're gonna flip it over to the top. So you're gonna flip it over your finger so it's like this. Now you're gonna take your next one. What you wanna do is you just wanna take the one like before, the one that you just put on. Like I just put on, like I just looped a loop for red. So I'm gonna put that over and make sure it's normal. Don't keep crossing the first one you did, otherwise it's not gonna work out. But now you're gonna take the bottom one again. In my case it's orange, and you'll flip it over. So you want 2 or 3 at all times. And so far it looks like this. Looks normal, but it might look a little, at the very end it's gonna look like so pretty. You can put charms on it. You can put charms on the regular too. So here we have it so far. It does look a little funky, but let's keep going. So otherwise you can do the one that you don't have on your fingers right now. You want to put on, like in my case it's orange. Put that on, flip over the yellow in my case, and as you can see, the orange hooks onto the yellow and the red, and it like hooks onto it. So yeah, and then we have this so far, and I'm gonna fast forward it because you already know what to do. And when you're ready, you can pause the video and you can do it by yourself, and then go to the very end of the video so I can show you how to put it all together. It's looking way better than before. Let's keep going. So right here, let's say we're finished. Well, I'm not actually finished, of course, because this isn't long enough to fit my wrist, especially just to tell you, the French braids are more tight. They're not as stretchy as the regular, but they still work, and keep them on your fingers acts. So act like I finished this bracelet, and I want to put it like normal, like a normal bracelet would be put together. Well, since we didn't put on the bottom, it's like this. We have a normal on the bottom. You want to take that, put it on the left hand ring finger, slide it out to put your thumb in, hook on the C-clip, flip it over and take out your thumb so it's like it was before. thumb into your pointer finger space. Try to stick it into the C-clip. Once you're done with that, hold it like near the bottom, put in your thumb, and put in your middle finger and your pointer. Put in your pointer finger where your middle finger is. Take it out, and of course it doesn't look like a real bracelet would right now, because I didn't actually make the real bracelet. But let's say this was like a mini big ring, like there. It works. And so like that's how you want to do it, because then it does connect the same. You can use an S hook, or I use C hooks because they're better. And when you use S hooks, you have to connect one and then flip it all the way to the other. So it's harder and it's harder to understand. Now, I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. This is my very first video. So I would like all of you to help me along the way, and make sure to go watch my mom and dad's channel and our whole family channel. I do not know what they're calling it yet. Please like and subscribe. Bye.